Ladies and gentlemen, gather around and prepare to embark on an unforgettable journey into the exhilarating world of stocks and financial wizardry. Welcome to Stock Marketpedia, where the stock market meets showtime. Let's kickstart this electrifying adventure together and redefine what it means to be the stock market superstar. So without further ado, hit that play button, fasten your seatbelts, and let the financial extravaganza begin. Get ready for a wild ride because Stock Marketpedia is here to rock your world. Lesson 1. Harness the power of compound interest. Drawing inspiration from Benjamin Franklin, Charlie Munger recognized the immense power of compound interest. Munger grasped the concept that money has the potential to generate further wealth, and the wealth that's already generating more wealth can continue to grow exponentially. He shared a compelling example from Franklin's will, which demonstrated how a modest sum of money multiplied into millions over a span of 200 years. This serves as a compelling illustration of the significance of saving and investing at an early stage, as every dollar has the potential to multiply significantly through the compounding effect of interest. Munger's appreciation for compound interest stems from its remarkable ability to accelerate wealth accumulation. He understood that when money is invested wisely, it not only earns a return, but also generates additional earnings on the initial investment and its accumulated returns. Over time, this compounding effect can lead to substantial growth in one's wealth. The example from Benjamin Franklin's will serves as a poignant reminder of the long-term benefits of compound interest. It demonstrates how even a modest sum, when left to grow and compound over an extended period, can result in a substantial fortune. This showcases the power of patience and the advantage of starting early when it comes to saving and investing. By understanding the principles of compound interest, Munger recognized the importance of making financial decisions that prioritize long-term gains. He encouraged individuals to save and invest their money wisely, allowing it to work for them and generate compounded returns. This approach aligns with his belief in the value of delayed gratification and the ability to reap greater rewards in the future by making smart financial choices in the present. Moreover, Munger's emphasis on the significance of compound interest underscores the need for individuals to adopt a proactive mindset when it comes to their finances. By starting early and consistently saving and investing, individuals can maximize the potential benefits of compound interest. Munger's philosophy aligns with the idea that small, regular contributions can accumulate over time, resulting in significant wealth accumulation. In conclusion, Charlie Munger's appreciation for compound interest, inspired by Benjamin Franklin, underscores the profound impact that saving and investing early can have on long-term wealth accumulation. He recognized the power of money to generate more money and the compounding effect that can significantly multiply one's wealth over time. Lesson number 2. Don't over-diversify your investment portfolio. In contrast to common beliefs, Charlie Munger offers advice that goes against the idea of over-diversifying one's investment portfolio. Munger, along with his business partner Warren Buffett, advocates for a concentrated portfolio of high-quality investments. They view stocks as ownership stakes in businesses, drawing an analogy to a local business owner who owns multiple businesses in a town. This perspective shapes their approach to stock investments. It is worth noting, however, that if an individual is not inclined to dedicate the effort required to select individual stocks, diversification through an S&P 500 index fund can serve as a suitable alternative. By investing in such a fund, one can achieve broad market exposure while still benefiting from long-term wealth accumulation. Munger and Buffett's stance on portfolio diversification challenges the traditional notion that spreading investments across a wide range of assets reduces risk. They argue that by focusing on a select number of high-quality investments, individuals can enhance their chances of achieving superior returns. This approach reflects their belief in thoroughly understanding the businesses they invest in and their long-term growth prospects. Charlie Munger's advice against over-diversification encourages individuals to adopt a concentrated portfolio approach, focusing on a select number of high-quality investments. By viewing stocks as ownership stakes in businesses, Munger and Buffett emphasized the importance of thoroughly understanding the companies in which one invests. However, they also acknowledge that diversification through index funds such as an S&P 500 fund can be a suitable alternative for those who prefer a more passive investment strategy or lack the resources for in-depth research. Ultimately, the approach to diversification should align with an individual's investment goals, risk tolerance, and level of expertise. Lesson 3. Get your first $100,000 saved and invested quickly. Charlie Munger stresses the significance of reaching the milestone of $100,000 in savings and investments as swiftly as possible. According to Munger, this initial sum is both challenging and crucial. The reason behind this emphasis lies in the remarkable power of compound interest, which begins to work in one's favor once a substantial amount is invested. To illustrate the impact of compound interest, let's consider a hypothetical scenario. Assume an individual earns a consistent annual return of 10% on their investments. If they start with an initial investment of $1,000, their gains after 1 year would amount to $100. However, if they have $100,000 invested, that same 10% return would yield $10,000 in gains. This example demonstrates the remarkable acceleration in which wealth accumulation that occurs when the investment portfolio reaches a larger scale. It's important to note that achieving this milestone requires discipline, consistent saving habits, and wise investment decisions. It may involve setting aside a portion of income each month, cutting unnecessary expenses, and making informed investment choices that align with one's risk tolerance and long-term financial goals. Lesson 4. Invest in yourself. To expedite the journey toward financial prosperity, it's paramount to prioritize self-investment. Charlie Munger grasped this fundamental principle early on in his career when he made a deliberate choice to allocate his time and efforts toward his own advancement. Recognizing the value of his expertise, he dedicated at least 1 hour each day to personal projects such as exploring real estate opportunities or expanding his knowledge of investing. By doing so, he not only generated income from his professional engagements, but also cultivated additional revenue streams through his self-directed endeavors. Embracing the concept of self-investment entails dedicating regular time and effort to activities that have the potential to generate supplementary income. This might involve acquiring new skills, pursuing investment opportunities, or even embarking on entrepreneurial ventures. By proactively engaging in endeavors that serve one's own financial interests, individuals can significantly augment their savings and investments, accelerating their progress toward achieving significant wealth, including the coveted milestone of their first $1 million. One practical approach to self-investment involves allocating a portion of one's daily routine to the pursuit of activities that have the potential to generate additional income. This may entail devoting time to acquire new knowledge and skills through courses, workshops, or self-study. By continuously expanding one's expertise and staying abreast of industry trends, individuals can enhance their marketability and seize lucrative opportunities that may arise. In conclusion, the wisdom imparted by Charlie Munger emphasizes the significance of investing in oneself as a catalyst for financial success. By allocating time and effort to personal projects, continuous learning, and entrepreneurial pursuits, individuals can augment their income, accumulate savings, and accelerate their path toward wealth creation. Engaging in self-investment not only expands one's financial opportunities, but also cultivates personal growth, self-reliance, and a proactive mindset that are essential for long-term prosperity. By taking ownership of their financial destiny and committing to self-improvement, individuals can significantly enhance their financial well-being and strive toward realizing their monetary aspirations. Lesson 5. Own equity in a company. One of the invaluable lessons we can glean from the early life of Charlie Munger revolves around the significance of possessing equity or a stake in a business. Munger's professional journey commenced as a lawyer, during which he astutely recognized the potential for wealth accumulation through business ownership. Through a shrewd adjustment to his fee structure, he ingenuously began accepting equity in the businesses of his clients as a form of payment. This strategic decision enabled him to partake in a portion of the annual profits generated by these enterprises, thereby allowing his capital to actively generate returns over an extended period. The concept of owning equity encompasses diverse manifestations, ranging from inclusion of stocks as part of an individual's compensation package within a corporate setting to the establishment of one's entrepreneurial venture. Irrespective of the specific form it takes, the possession of equity presents a remarkable opportunity to cultivate wealth and secure a source of passive income in the long run. Charlie Munger's recognition of the importance of equity ownership serves as a testament to the profound advantages it can offer individuals seeking financial growth. By acquiring a stake in a business, whether through direct investment, stock options, or other means, individuals align their fate with the prosperity of the enterprise. This symbiotic relationship creates a vested interest in the company's success, incentivizing active participation and commitment to achieving optimal outcomes. However, it's important to acknowledge that owning equity also carries certain risks and responsibilities. The performance of a business is subject to numerous factors, including market conditions, competition, and internal dynamics. Owners must be prepared to navigate uncertainties, make informed decisions, and adapt to changing circumstances. In some cases, owning equity may involve financial liabilities or obligations, particularly if the business faces challenges or undergoes adverse circumstances. It's crucial for individuals considering equity ownership to conduct thorough due diligence, seek professional advice, and develop a comprehensive understanding of the associated risks before committing their resources. That's a wrap for today's video, but the excitement doesn't stop here. Get ready for more mind-blowing content coming your way. We'll be pumping out videos 3 to 5 times per week, so buckle up for an exhilarating ride. Drop your comments below with your topic requests because we want to hear from you. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Stay tuned for the next thrilling episode on Stock Marketpedia, where we make stocks sizzle.